Alright, so in this one we're going to be solving systems. This is day one, so we're going to be solving systems using graphs and tables. Alright, so you should learn how to use the graph and the table to solve systems of equations. So when we do this, we got 3 real steps. The first one is to solve each equation for y, which is also known as slope-intercept form. Alright, after that we're going to graph each equation into the calculator, or in the calculator. And then for tables, we're going to find solution in table. Alright, so first 3x plus 2y equals negative 2. So to do this, we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. Gives you 2y equals negative 3x minus 2. Then divide by 2, and we get y equals negative 3 over 2, because 2 doesn't go into 3, x minus 1. So there's our first equation. Now we have negative 4x plus 5y equals negative 28. So I'm going to add 4x to both sides. Gives me 5y equals 4x minus 28. Divide by 5. What you should notice is 5 doesn't go into 4 and 5 doesn't go into 28. So we have y equals 4 over 5x minus 28 over 5. Now we can go to our calculator. So we're going to deal with b. Press tab if you need to bring that up. Press control divide. We want negative 3 over 2 x minus 1. That's our first one. Then our second one, control divide again, so we got 4 over 5 x minus, and then we press control divide again for 28 over 5, and since that's my last one, I'm going to press enter. Alright, so then we go to our table, so control T to get to the table, and what we're looking for in this table is we are looking for where, and we need to press over so we can see the other one, we're looking for this spot right here. So we're looking for where we have an x of 2 and the y values are the same. Alright, so if I go up 1, so we're going to copy this down real quick. So what we're looking for, we have x, we have y1, y2 in other words, or f1, f2. So we have at 1, we had negative 2.5 and negative 4.8. At 2, they were both negative 4. And at 3, we had negative 5.5 and negative 3.2. And so this is my solution right here, where the y values are the same. So the solution to this is 2, negative 4. Alright, so now we're going to go on to the graphing part. I'll go over those steps. Alright, so we have a system here. So again, the steps are to solve each equation for y. We then want to graph each equation Now this time, the calculator steps are a little different. So we press menu. We want six analyze graph. So 6 analyze. After that, and we'll go over this more, but I need to see it. We want number 4, intersection. So after that, we're going to do 4, which is intersection. What you will see at that point is a vertical line. So a vertical line shows up. For this, you want to press enter. Then move the next vertical line to the other side of intersection. And again, once you do that, you press enter. Alright, so real quick. So we have 2x minus y equals -1. So 2x minus 1y equals -1. So we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. So that gives you -1y equals -2x minus 1. Divide by -1, and we get y equals 2x plus 1. Then we take the next one, 5x plus 2y equals -16. Subtract 5x from both sides, gives me 2y equals -5x minus 16. Divide by 2, and we get y equals -5 over 2x minus 8. So now we're going to put these in our calculator. So I'm going to get rid of this, get rid of those graphs. Okay, so come back. So we have 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1. And then we also have -5 over 2. So control divide, -5 over 2x minus 8. Enter. Alright, so once you've done that, now we go through those steps. So menu, we want 6, analyze graph, 4, intersection. Now you may, okay, so you see the vertical line that's here? We want that vertical line on the left side. Lower bound means left side. So once you have it over there, you either press enter, or you can just click if you're using the hand. Now it says upper bound. So I want to take this and slide it to the other side. Click or press enter again, and it gives me that solution. So in this case, those two intersect at -2. And I can move it over here in case you needed to, -2, -3. So there's our solution. So the solution to this one was -2, -3. Alright, I believe I only left 6 problems just because of the calculator stuff to try to get it finished. This is about a 9-minute video, so watch this, complete the problem set. Leave questions on Google Classroom or email me if you have any questions, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can.